Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 1st of August. The euro recorded gains in anticipation of Thursday's policy statement by the European Central Bank and the press conference that will follow. ECB President Draghi's comment that the euro is irreversible has spurred speculation on a secret plan being drafted. Versus the US dollar, the single currency rose to 122.91 from 122.60. The US dollar produced gains versus the Federal Open Market Committee statement released due today at 18:15 GMT. The ADP employment report and the ISM manufacturing PMI prints, also due today, are expected to capture market participants' attention worldwide. Versus the Canadian dollar, the US dollar dropped to 100.34 from 100.14. The Australian dollar dropped to 104.81 from 104.97 versus the US dollar. The 104.70 area appears to act as support and the pair could rebound. The British pound dropped to 156.66 from 157.11 against the greenback as investors brace for tomorrow's policy announcement by the Bank of England. On to commodities. We saw oil prices fall to $87.41 from $89.28 a barrel. Gold dropped to $1,612.79 an ounce from $1,620.97, and against the euro, gold plunged to €1,312.28 from €1,322.97 an ounce. Silver moved down to $27.92 from $28.08. Now let's look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 123.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 123.30. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.25. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 105.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 105.35. The sterling dollar pivot points at 157.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 157.20. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 100.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 100.50. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 89 with a preference to enter into short positions at 89. The gold pivot point is at 1608 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1608. And the silver pivot point is at 2780 with a preference to enter into long positions at 2780. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the US ADP employment report in July forecast to come out at 120,000. US ISM manufacturing in July forecast to rise to 50.2, and the US Federal Reserve rate forecast to remain unchanged at 0.25%. Now onto equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 1.02%, the DAX was down 0.03%, and the CAC was down 0.87%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 0.43%, and the Dow was down 0.49%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.57%, and the Hang Seng was up 0.36%. It's been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.